Welcome into another Musings from the Mind of tutorial where we're going to look at a random color shader. It allows you to have one shader but put multiple colors on different objects. You can do it if you have just something creative you want to do, an abstract design that you want to just kind of have gradient colors spread out without having to have multiple shaders. Or let's say you were making a bed of rocks and you want to have some variation between the rocks. So here we go. Let's do new, general, and let's start with, we'll do a cube. We're going to jump over here to add a couple of array modifiers and build us an object to shade. So we're going to apply that, add another array modifier, except for this time we're going to do 0 and 1, and our constant offset is going to be 0 and 1. Also make that one 4. We'll apply this guy, and then we're going to apply one more array modifier. This time we'll do it on the z-axis. So, and same thing with our constant offset. Let's do it on the z-axis. And make sure this is 4, and then we'll apply. So now we've got an object that we can apply our shader to. So let's jump down here, switch this to shader editor. We'll do a new one, and we're going to add two things. We are going to add a object info, and we are going to add a color ramp. So we'll plug random into factor, and we'll do color into base color. And then what we're going to do is, let's change this black to, let's say, maybe a green. We'll change the white to maybe a yellow. And you can see it's kind of just applying the same color to everything. It's because we only have the one object. There's nothing to random. So let's hit tab. With everything selected, hit P, separate by loose parts. And then when we tab out of that, we have multiple colors. The other great way this works is we do Shift A. Let's do a sphere. Let's bring it out here where we can see it. We're going to apply that shader to this. And then if we hit Shift D, each iteration will come out with a different color. And that's a quick and easy way to have one shader that applies multiple colors across multiple objects. So I hope this was helpful. Like I said, I think one of the best ways to do this, if you were making a gravel path, it would be a great way to get a gradient of colors across your rocks. But there's lots of creative ways to deal with this. You could do a solar system. But with that said, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.